2026 Golf R with pin to start immobilisation. We've done gearbox lock on this one, so you can actually start the car with the immobiliser armed. You just can't select a gear. So if I attempt to select a gear now, you'll see it's not letting us select any gear. Okay, we need to put the code in. So code combination is a series of button pushes of the factory buttons on the car. Unique combination for each one. So if we push the code in, you'll notice the main beam warning light flash there on the dashboard. Now we're going to start the gearbox selection. There we go, forward, reverse. So it'll let you start the car. Auto arming is quite straightforward. When you turn the car off and open the door, two flashes of the main beam warning light acknowledges arming.